Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So these things are awesome if you're someone that's prone to getting earwax in your ears. Instead of using like Q-tips and stuff and pushing it back into your ear, you can use these and it'll allow you to see as you're scooping it out. I've actually reviewed a few of these on my channel and I absolutely love these. I actually gave all mine away and I need one because one of my daughters is very prone to getting earwax in her ear and a lot of buildup. So let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is how it comes boxed. Let me go ahead and show you the inside. So it comes with a user manual and then you have all these different pieces right there. Okay, so this is the device itself. Now you can use these ones right here for just sticking down in there so it doesn't go too far and you can actually see what's going on. And then it comes with these for picking out the ear wax. So let me go ahead. We're going to start by connecting it to my phone. So you're going to just type in "You Better" and then you're going to go ahead and download. I tried scanning this, but it just kept taking me to download something. So after that, it's going to start downloading. Now that it's downloaded, I'm going to open it. Agree. I'm going to allow while using. And now I'm going to go ahead and connect this device. So let me go ahead and turn it on. You can see it's on. After you download the app, you're going to go on to your Wi-Fi and you're going to go to You Better. And then it's going to connect this, which now it's connected. So now I can go onto this right here, go over, confirm. And then we're going to go to ears. And you can see that is now on. So if I go in my ears, which, oh my Lanta, that looks dirty. So let me go ahead. I'm going to put this on just so that it's like a safety guard before putting it into my ear, just so that you don't go too close. So you can see that's what my ears look like. See this one? Oh, I can see stuff right here. So this one's great just for looking in there to kind of see what you got going on. So you can see, do you have some earwax like over there? And right there. So then, after you do that, you kind of evaluate what you have. You can go through and get these little picks. Now you do want to be very careful and make sure that an adult is doing this. Like I use it on my daughter because it's the only way I can get some of her earwax out, but you have got to be extremely careful because you can bust your eardrums. So this is really long and you can kind of see the tip so that when you go in there, you can see the tip of it. So you can go in there and kind of scrape out. It's just getting used to how to use it. So you can see. You can get rid of blackheads and everything using this. So I already got a little bit of stuff out. So go in this ear. It's hard for me to do it because I am recording, but you can see. So I got a little bit out. But yeah, this is a really nice device to have. You can see that's how it works. It worked amazing. It's great for if you have small children. They're always putting stuff in their ears, or if they have an earache. You can also use it for like your hair. Maybe you have something on the back and you want to see what it is. You can use it for your throat, your nose. It doesn't matter. You can use it for so many different things. It doesn't have to be just the ears, but it works best for your ears. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.